In this video, I am going to show you how you can easily uninstall an app or a program on Windows. So without wasting much of your time, let's get started with the video. So for the first step is that you want to go over to the settings option. Once you're in your settings, what you want to do now is that you want to click on the apps option. Once you click on the apps option, click on the apps and features option. Once you do that, scroll down and select the program or app you would like to delete. So in this case, let's say I want to uninstall this program right over here. I'm going to click on it, click on the uninstall button and uninstall. And this should ask you if you want to uninstall. Click on the yes option and then you should easily click on the yes button and yes again, and this will start uninstalling the program. So that's how you can easily uninstall a program on Windows. So if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next one.